Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be show you how to fix Instagram message notifications not showing. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your Instagram application, then click on your profile icon, and now click on this 3-line icon and click on settings, privacy, click on notifications, and from here turn off this toggle for pause all. Make sure this toggle is turned off, then click on messages and calls, and from here make sure all the toggle is turned on. Make sure all these options is turned on and still you are not getting message notifications on Instagram. Then open your phone settings and scroll down, then click on app management, and now click on Instagram and click on notifications, and from here make sure allow notification toggle is turned on for Instagram. Okay, and hope it should fix your problem. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.